ready to take your crypto security to the next level. Let's get your Safepal S1 Hardware Wallet set up and ready to secure your digital assets. First things first, unbox your Safepal S1. You'll find the wallet itself, a USB cable, and a quick start guide. Make sure everything is present and looks good. Now, power on your Safepal S1 by pressing and holding the power button. The device will boot up, and you'll be prompted to choose whether you're a new user or recovering an existing wallet. Since we're setting up a new account, select Create New Wallet. The device will then guide you through generating your new private keys. This is a crucial step. Your Safepal S1 will display a recovery phrase, typically 12 or 24 words. Write these down carefully and store them in a secure, offline location. This phrase is your master key to your crypto, so keep it safe. Following that, you'll need to confirm your recovery phrase on the device by re-entering the words in the correct order. This ensures you've recorded it accurately. Next, you'll be asked to set a PIN code for your Safepal S1. Choose a strong, memorable PIN and enter it twice to confirm. This PIN will be required every time you unlock your wallet. Now, grab your smartphone and download the Safepal Wallet app from your device's app store. We'll use this to manage your cryptocurrencies. With the app installed, open it and select Connect Hardware Wallet. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your Safepal S1 with your smartphone via Bluetooth. Once paired, the Safepal app will communicate with your S1, and you'll see a confirmation of a successful connection. Your Safepal S1 is now ready to manage your crypto assets securely. Congratulations! You've successfully created an account on your Safepal S1 Hardware Wallet, making your crypto holdings significantly more secure by keeping your private keys offline and protected.